What's up guys, welcome back to GIO'S Wave, and today we're going to be diving deep into curl type. Me specifically, I have curl type 3B, and I'm going to be giving you two routines today. I'm going to be halving my hair down the middle, but I'm going to be doing two different methods. On one side, I'm going to be doing the shingling method, and the other side, I'm going to be brushing through the products. But the kicker is, I'm going to use the exact same products for both sides. I really want to show you how a method can affect my curl type, which is 3B. And I'm going to use all the exact same products on both sides. To accomplish today's task, we're going to be using all products from Aussie. We're going to use their Detox Shampoo Conditioner. We're going to use their 3-minute deep conditioner. And then we're also going to use all their styling stuff as well. I'm going to show you as we go along in this video. Let's start off by just showing you exactly what my hair looks like currently. Boom. Honestly, it smells like Korean barbecue because that's what I cooked today and yesterday. And this is what the hair looks like right now. Alright. Now of course I'm actually gonna end up throwing this jacket back because I need to have something on white to show you all the definition and what it looks like. This is actually only like 2-day hair, but I only have a leave-in in, and this is what it looks like. It looks crazy. Really, you need definition. Yeah, so let's get this started. Alright guys, I'm back. So I didn't apply the 3-minute miracles inside the shower. Obviously, it started to steam up, and obviously my bathroom know the YouTube guidelines and they try to save me. No, but anyways, I'm gonna actually apply the 3-minute miracle right now on camera. I also have some water because anytime you're deep conditioning your hair, just make sure your hair is soaking wet. The whole point is so your hair can soak up all the hydration. So really make sure your hair is like super drenched when you are. The reason why a lot of people actually still do deep condition their hair in the shower, all the steam and all the moisture just locks into the hair. When you are gonna do out the shower, like I'm about to do, I'm just gonna wet my hair. You can put a bag over your head. Sounds terrible. You can wrap your hair in a bag, whatever you have on hand, and you can even apply a little bit of heat to it just to lock in all that moisture. But I'm going to go ahead and apply the 3-minute miracle curls. This stuff is awesome, and it works extremely well, and it only takes 3 minutes. All right, so my hair is already, luckily while I was in the shower, I already combed out my hair, so this part shouldn't take too long. Quickly hurry up and apply all this to my hair. I'm gonna get some ASMR here, hold up. Now we're just gonna wait 3 minutes, tie my hair up, here we go. So I just washed out the 3-minute miracle curls. I came back with nothing in my hair, but I'm gonna quickly add in the leave-in detangler milk just on both sides, just so there's at least product in both sides, because I am gonna be tying the one side in and starting with the shingling side. I at least wanna have some type of product to retain the moisture in my hair, so I'm gonna quickly use the leave-in detangling milk right here, and we're gonna apply it to both sides of my hair, and then I'm gonna tie one side up. So I'm quickly actually just add it to the side that I'm going to tie up now. Brush that through first. And we're going to leave this side alone. All right, now we're just going to focus on this side. Let me just add in the detangling milk. This side. All right, perfect. All right, so we're gonna quickly start sectioning off my hair. I'm gonna be using the Frizz Taming Cream first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use cream pudding second. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and use the curl defining oil, like so. A procedure you've seen before, but again, it's just showing you the technique and the method and how you can really make your 3B curls flourish. we're gonna just keep these 3 products in rotation. Again, starting off with the Frizz Taming Creme. Now again, for my curl type, specifically for me, right? And specifically, I don't know if this applies to a lot of people, but for me, because I have longer hair, my hair gets a little bit heavier when I start adding more products in it, right? So which means my hair can sometimes look in the middle 3A-ish. So a lot of times my hair could be 3AB. If that's a thing, yeah, my hair can be both sometimes. It all depends on the day, the humidity, the products I'm using, if it's heavy, if it's light. But the crazy thing is when I do this method, a lot of times it's a more consistent curl pattern. But if I don't, I do the wash and go. You'll see it's a lot of inconsistencies with the curl pattern if I just do the brush through and then scrunch. Bow. With the oil, if I can open it. Lock everything in, like so. Focus on the ends. Here we go. Still, we're gonna scrunch it just to help promote the curl pattern, and then boom, like that. First one is done. As it dries, it's gonna shrink up and get a little bit more curly, spirally, and we're gonna continue this process. Alright guys, so the first side is done. The shingling side, which always takes forever, and this is just one half of my head. Luckily, I don't have to do it on that side. But with the shingling method, especially for 3B hair, you're really gonna get that definition. You're gonna get really consistent curls rather than some curls are really popping, some curls aren't. So if you are looking for your hair to just be super defined, the shingling method is always the way to go. It just takes so much longer because you're literally pulling strands and strands and strands of hair down, and you're gonna continuously do that until you reach your whole head. This half side pretty much took me about 35 minutes, really, because I'm trying to show you, I took my time, one, and I really want to make sure all the product is incorporated to this one side. And we're gonna go ahead and tackle this side. This side is starting, I can feel like the top is a little dry, but I'm gonna re-wet the entire side again. It already has the leave-in milk. Leaving detangling milk already in this side, and we're gonna use all the same 3 products. I am gonna use a little bit more because the only inconsistency of this entire thing is the amount of product. There's not a way for me to gauge the product unless I literally, every time I put some in my hand for this side, I need to put some more away for this side, you know? With that being said, let's just quickly go ahead and just tackle this side. And then we're gonna actually diffuse, because I am gonna diffuse it just to get the results to get locked in. If I air dry, you're gonna leave a lot of room open for frizz to happen. So yeah, let's go ahead and tackle this side so we can hurry up and finish up and get to the diffusing part. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet this entire side. It's okay. One reason why I didn't just go ahead and diffuse that side is because I am gonna be doing this and I don't want to re-wet that side by accident. So like that side, we're gonna start off with the Frizz Taming Creme. A generous amount, it's a lot. And this is only gonna work for the first half of my hair. So I'm still gonna use a little bit more for the other half. All right, let's brush that through. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the cream pudding. Generous amount. Ugh. And last but not least, the oil. Ugh. This I need 2 hands for. And just like that, this side is already done. This is why this is the quick wash and go away. All right, now I'm just gonna finger separate my hair like this by just running my fingertips through my hair. Just to separate it. I'm still gonna scrunch as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and just scrunch this side just because I scrunch that side after every section. All right, so now let's visibly look at both sides while wet, and then we're gonna compare when they're both dry. Right now, they kind of look a little bit similar. I can't even hold that this side is still a little bit more damp, so there isn't like this side is a little bit more bigger. It's because as I was doing this side, it was drying. But to the eye, you can tell the difference between both sides. So this side, there's a little bit more separation with the curls. Obviously, that's done purposely. But a lot more curls. It's already way more defined because I separated and because each strand was pulled down and and then scrunched back up. On this side, as you can tell, it's starting off to look like a little bit of like 3A-ish right here, and then towards the end it goes back to a little bit more like a 3B. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse both sides separately. I'm gonna start off with this side since it's already almost dry, and then we're gonna work our way to this side, and we're gonna come back and look at the results and then compare what it looks like after that. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up diffusing both sides of the hair. Here is the results. Here's the side that we shingled, and we did the shingle method, and then here's the side where all we did was brush the product through, basically the wash and go away. As you see, there's a huge difference. There's a difference in volume. There's a difference in texture, a visible difference in texture, and just overall consistency of the curl. But wait 1 second, we're gonna lock everything with the Citrus Vibes Scent Boost right here. This stuff smells so good, so we're gonna quickly give it a shake. And this one can go on both sides, then we're gonna scrunch both sides hair up. Like so. And then we're gonna scrunch one side, and we're gonna scrunch the other side. Breaking any cast that we have there, right? All right, so let's compare the two. So obviously, on this side, this is where the curl pattern is a little bit more consistent. The 3B curls are a little bit more visible. They go through all throughout the hair from the scalp, the shaft to the ends. On this side, we have a little bit more of an inconsistent curl pattern, but that was kind of to be expected because we're not going through each strand of hair. See, like right here, right, we have, like, it starts off like a little bit 3A-ish, and then it'll go into a 3B curl. Also this side, I mean, a lot of it also has to do with gravity and the weight of my hair, the amount of product in my hair. So no matter what, each side still works. It's just one is way quicker than the other, and it's just all about what you want your hair to do for that specific day or that specific week. Because this side of the shingling method lasts so much longer. You don't have to refresh the next day. When you do end up refreshing, it's a super easy refresh. You don't really have to worry about your curls coming back. It's just a little bit more of taming the frizz. On this side, you're gonna have to add a little bit more water, a lot more product in it. But this is quicker. You gotta do this side a little bit more. Honestly, I really do this side a little bit more because this side takes forever. But yeah, that's literally my two go-to methods when it comes to perfecting my 3B curls. Obviously, if you want perfection, kind of go with the shingling method. But if you want the perfect wash and go, this is to me like a perfect wash and go. So yeah, that's actually gonna wrap up this video. You all let me know in the comments which side do you like the most? Which side do you expect to do more often? And do you actually see a big difference? Should you take this long to do to perfect your hair, or is this side acceptable? To me, both sides are perfect in their own ways. But I also want to just quickly touch on the 3-minute miracle curls. Oh my gosh, this stuff is absolutely amazing. I'll go in depth about this in a different video, but man, it really only takes 3 minutes, and I love actually detangling my hair with this because the slip is insane. But we'll go into depth about that product some other time. I really do hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to get notified anytime I do post. Please follow me on all my social medias. That is Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and now TikTok. All Gio Filipino hair. It's all in the description below as well. So yeah, you know what to do. Stay wavy. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.